We are at Mercure Madrid Centro, and we're staying in a room with 2 single beds and a sofa bed. They're like vacuuming the carpet out there, so that's why I came in really fast because it's loud. But right when we came in, the door, this is the bathroom. Pretty decent size. Ready to go see my team tomorrow. As you can see, the room is very small. It's nice because we have our own patio. A little mini bar, cups. There's the safe. And we are staying here using our DVC points, which I will do a separate video on that later. It's no longer with RCI. I think it's called Interval. Oh, look at that. I'll have to take a closer look at that, take a picture of that. So far the lobby's super clean. I'll create a video for that too. This room 205 is right next to the elevators. Won't know if that's a good thing or not till later. To make coffee in the morning. And let me take you out to the balcony. Okay, so here's the door to get onto the balcony. If this obviously wasn't pulled out to a bed, it'd be easier to open. And there's a crazy stuff here. But we can enjoy the fresh Madrid city air. Oh, they're doing some kind of construction work. The city reminds me of a very old New York City, I guess. So let's go back in. Remember, there's a step. And something interesting, there's no handle from the outside to go in, so you won't be able to close the door. If you're the only one here, you're gonna be locked outside. And this is the room from this angle. So something we realized, actually a few things we realized. The blackout curtains in this room are black. I mean, I shouldn't say but we all slept in till 9:30. And every time I woke up, I would think like, oh no, it's still dark outside. Until my mom actually ended up looking at her clock and realized it was 9:30, and then we pulled back the curtains and the sun was a-shining. The other thing is, with this door, at least in this hotel, if you open it with the handle totally horizontal, it opens like a normal door. If you open it with the handle all the way up, the top part comes off. So, just FYI, it kind of caught us off guard the first time we opened the door. Something I did want to point out is this shower. As you notice, there's like no door here, which didn't even occur to us until the first time we took a shower, and we were just trying really hard to stay underneath that shower water head to avoid splashing water. We are checking out today. That's why it's a bit of a mess, but I promise when we got here it was a lot cleaner. Something about these beds is there's 3 of us traveling. So we had a room with like 3, we needed a room with 3 beds. But what it is 2 beds put together, and then this is actually like a little pull-out sofa. They had already pulled it out before we got here, and we literally never folded it back up because we just came to this room to sleep. We woke up, we left the room, came back, slept. Like, so there was no need to fold it back up to a sofa for us. This is very small, as you would expect, but it did. it did well. It was comfortable, clean, everything we could ask for in a room where you're going to spend most of your time outside in the city doing something. I would highly recommend this hotel. The staff was super nice. Breakfast is included only with some rooms or some reservations. Otherwise, it's like 17 euros a person. Just found that out. But yeah, Mercure Madrid Centro, room 205.